So I'm sure everybody's seen this happen to your iPhone cord. And if it's still working, still charging, you might want to try to fix it before it stops charging. So, as you can see there, I got a small piece of heat shrink. You can get that online or Home Depot, Lowe's, electronics store, anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I ran out of white, so I guess I have to use blue. Just going to take this heat shrink, slip it over the top of this wire, and then use a heat gun or a hair dryer or anything like that, and just heat shrink that right around the damaged part, and it should last a lot longer. So as you can see, I just wrapped that piece of heat shrink right around the wire there, and left a little bit of it around the hard piece of plastic there. Got my heat gun here, and we're just gonna turn this on, and there you go. That's simple. Save you a little bit of money, you know. Heat shrinked it around the bad part of the wire there, and as you can see, it's still, you know, but it's covered, and it's a lot stronger, and it should last a lot longer. So there you have it.